Is generative AI potentially an existential threat to the human species?
It really is an existential threat.
AI is replacing human tasks faster than you might think.
Almost everybody I know who's an expert on AI believes that they will exceed human intelligence.
If you have been following the buzz around AI, you have probably heard people saying it's coming for your jobs. And let's be honest, some of us are already starting to believe it. Welcome to Learn with Reyaz. Today we're exploring a big question of our times. Is AI really just to take our jobs, or is there something much bigger behind the story? Let's break it down together. By the end, you will know exactly where you stand on this. Let's rewind a bit and look at the history of computers to set the context. There was a time when computers were as big as entire buildings, but just solved the math problems. Then came machines that could fit into a room. With each generation, they got smaller, more powerful, and way more versatile. As computers evolved, so did the way we interacted with them, from punch cards to keyboards, from joystick to touchscreens, and now to voice commands and QR code scanned by cameras. Technology didn't just change, it became more human-friendly. And just like that, programming also evolved. It moved from complex machine learning instructions to modern programming language designed to be more intuitive, programmer-friendly, and making it easier than ever to build more powerful applications. Back in 90s, when personal computers started gaining traction, there was a wave of excitement and fear. Headlines predicted how PCs would revolutionize every office, but many people also worried that workers who relied on paper files would soon be out of work. That sounds familiar. It is the same narrative we hear today about AI. But what really happened when computers began weaving into every part of our lives? Instead of wiping out jobs, they created whole new industries. For organizations, computers became an entirely new department. For students, a brand new field of study. And for professionals, a world of career opportunities waiting to be explored. So pause for a moment and think. Technology didn't close doors. They opened countless new ones. Technology didn't replace purpose, it expanded possibilities. Back then, two types of people emerged. The first group, they were so good at what they did manually that they never bothered to learn computers. They were too busy, too confident in the old ways. The second group, they might have been average at their jobs, but they saw computers as a tool to level up. They learned, adapted, and soon technology started working for them, making their tasks easier, faster, and smarter. For the second group, growth came naturally. They didn't need external help. But for the first group, when computers became essential, they found themselves dependent on others to keep up. Even then, it wasn't technology replacing them. It was another human, more skilled, with the new tools stepping in. Think about what you have seen over the years. Every time technology integrated into our lives, it created new avenues, and in any field, those who embrace it are the ones who thrive. Like every other breakthrough, AI is a technology built by humans for humans. And here is the thing, if you understand how to use it, you are adding a more powerful skill to your toolkit. Employers, clients, or even your own ventures will favor you over someone who doesn't. But if you are in tech and you ignore AI, there's a hard truth. You will always end up second to those who embraced it. As Andrew Ng puts it beautifully, the true potential of AI lies in mastering existing tools for real-world applications. You don't have to create the next ChatGPT. You just need to know how to use it effectively. And that alone can transform your career. Think about how past technologies have always pushed human limits and unlocked new possibilities. AI, in the long run, will have a similar impact. It will take over the tasks better suited for machines, repetitive, data-heavy, mechanical work. But here's the key, humans will still be in the driver's seat. AI isn't there to replace us, it is here to empower us. Interestingly, even the creators of AI, who once painted a scary picture of AI dominance, are now clearing the air. Recently, Sam Altman echoed the words of NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang. Both emphasized the same truth. Yes, jobs will change dramatically, but the human drive to do, create, and connect will remain untouched. AI isn't here to erase our purpose, it's here to expand what is possible. In the end, let me leave you with this: AI might just be the biggest leap in human history, but never forget, AI is nothing more than just a manifestation of human mind. If AI is this powerful, just imagine what the human mind itself is capable of. Thanks for watching. If you have reached this far watching the video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this video with someone who will be benefited from it. Thank you so much for watching it.